Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best luggage set that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Coolife Luggage 3-piece set suitcase spinner. This hip and stylish collection come in the form of a 3-piece set made for the young at heart. Not only does the Coolife Luggage 3-piece set suitcase offer up a means of transporting belongings, but it is also an expression of style and suave. This set consists of 3 handy pieces. The first is 28 inches, closely followed by both the 24-inch and 20-inch piece. The roomy interiors of these suitcases are all lined and fitted with down straps as well as zipper dividers for compartmentalization. The exterior is covered in a hard shell which adds to its overall sturdiness. Privacy is at its core as it offers up an unrivaled secure lock TSA system. Thanks to this feature, users can enjoy both the luxury of sporting a stylish luggage set as well as some much-needed peace of mind. Moving on at number 4, we have the Samsonite Winfield 2 luggage set. Samsonite crafts some of the best items in the world, and luggage is no exception. This polycarbonate set of luggage has bold style, while giving you ultimate protection from the element, and your kids. Winfield 2 comes with an ingrained TSA-approved lock to keep your valuables away from prying eyes as well. This 3-piece set comes with a zipper closure, while the front and back shells provide complete scuff, scrape, and, mostly, dent damage while you're wheeling it through a crowd of people. With a cloth interior lining, you get a little bit of wiggle room, up to 1.5, on the larger luggage bag in this kit, to store additional items. At number 3, we have the American Tourister Moonlight Expandable luggage. As fun as traveling can be, suitcases draw the shorter end of the stick. That's why this luggage set offers up sturdy construction wrapped up in a stylish design. With the American Tourister Moonlight Expandable hardside luggage, baggage handlers have finally met their match. This set of 3 consists of a 29-inch piece, a 24-inch piece and a convenient 21 inches to be used as a carry-on. Each of these cases conveniently expands in order to make more space for your belongings. In addition to the deep main compartment, it is fitted with a mesh area for easy access as well as compression straps that hold it all in place. Lastly, the 360-degree spinner wheels are as efficient as possible, making it easy to pull each suitcase in any given direction. At number 2, we have the Coolife Soft Shell Spinner 3-piece kit luggage set. Compact design meets uniform, bright, and excellent style. From your watch down to your shoes, everything has to hold onto your style, complement you, and be an extension of your personal tastes and preferences. It sounds like a lot of responsibility to put on your luggage, but it's true, and Coolife brings us an excellent design. Available in 6 different color palettes, without touching a single penny on the price, regardless of your style selection, and functional in every way, Coolife's ergonomic aluminum handle, carry-on ready size, and quadruple universal wheels will have you wondering where this has been all your life. You get a 2-year full warranty with no limitations, and excellent, sturdy nylon lining to keep your clothing and valuables safe from harm. And finally at number 1, we have the Rockland 2-piece luggage set. This smart selection is bound to complement your style in any of their 15+ color options. Rockland builds a durable, expandable set with unidirectional wheels, compact storage, and periscope handles crafted of the best aluminum. Their 2-piece luggage set's exterior is made of 100% ABS plastic, which provides protection up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit, while boasting a lightweight build. Interior pockets of mesh and elastics are perfect for storing smaller, delicate items such as your phone or phone charger, while keeping them close to the lining. The last thing you want is for your items to knock around while you're in transit. Compact, hidden zippers keep your luggage looking excellent. This kit is perfect for the weekender. See buying guide below. As well as the traveling businessman who's packing light, and comes with Rockland's 5-year warranty.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.